And Malad, in another case, again Anil Ambani, your Lordship will find at page 179. 179, it is said for 35 paise for 100 rupees, 35 paise. I take your Lordship to page 170, 179. And now I made Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani, both of them are party to this proceedings. Well, therefore, I am not making any allegations. Begin their baggage. Page 179, 179. Yes. This is 1,000, what is it? Crores. Yes. So it is about 35 paise per 100 rupee at page 179. So my Lord, look how the law is always against the poor, the helpless. That is unfortunate. The courts will not accept remedy legislation to prevent MSMEs from falling sick. It is a remedial legislation where they are fallen sick to provide them, extend them the physical care. Then notification to the letters of respect. The courts are primarily responsible for the current scenario. And now the judgment of this is Narasimha as elaborated. Your Lordship has taken notice of the contribution of the MSMEs. They are contributed by 30% of the GDP, 60% of the employment, and equally in terms of exports. So this sector and is something which the sector legislature process which gone on for a lot of time. And this has to be given. The benefit cannot be denied. And now your Lordship's hands. And I'm seeking the indulgence of the Lordship's hands. The declaration is whatever has been done, according to the notification has to be set aside. The clock has to be put back. And she is the president of the MSME Association. She came before the law. In 2024. 2024 days. Then that the SLP was dismissed. She did not give up hope. She filed a review petition. Review petition was allowed. Sorry, dismissed. SLP was allowed. SLP was allowed by the Justice Suligan. And by the time the Section 7 proceedings were initiated, and she had to file 75 proceedings. Yes, because now we also say the first principle, there should be into litigation. There should be a multiplicity of proceedings. It's totally bad. But a litigant, when they go to the court, when they don't deny the justice. And as a lawyer, I always remember this famous words, Lord Chancellor, that I only know one person in this world, and that person is my client. So that is so long as I remain as a lawyer, I will retire, give up. That is always I have been contemplation. But so long as I remain as a lawyer, I keep that in my mind. There is only one person in the world.
Anything more? We have given you more than 10 minutes, uninterrupted audience.
I have
anything more? Now please tell us one question, answer one question.
Yes.
The banks give loans to thousands of customers. So when the bank finds that some account has become sticky because the borrower is not repaying, so bank has to go on a hunting exercise to find out which borrower is an MSME. The MSME itself has no duty, no obligation in terms of the notification.
RBI
has very simple question.
I'm answering. RBI addresses question.
How does RBI address? Now you have to read 26, paragraph 2 and 3 together.
Yes, Lord. I will read it.
It is your obligation, Mr. Nedumpura.
No.
That means MSME's obligation to inform the bank that, look here, I am required to pay these monthly installments. I am an MSME. I am in difficulty. I can't put in the amount. I want a restructuring, and you have to put it on an affidavit. Right? This is the way the bank gets to know about it.
No,
It's an application supported by an affidavit by an MSME that it is in troubled waters. We must save him.
No, but
unless this machinery is active.
Absolutely not difficult to answer it. I will answer by 2 ways.
If that is so, you show us where is your application
Yes, I will answer.
from Part-2. Not answer, show it from the petition.
No, I'm not answering that.
Show it from the
My
petition.
legal answer, there's a
Don't
practical
answer
answer.
first. We will
Yes,
be
I'm
back.
answering.
Where, Mr. Lalpa, we have given you immense indulgence.
Yeah, I'm answering. You're also
You must not, you have a duty towards your client, no doubt. But remember that as a counsel, you have a duty towards the court also.
No, I have the greatest respect for it. In fact, I would say
On an assembly Monday, we are giving you more than 15 minutes of time to argue. We are asking for a simple document. Where is the application supported by affidavit under paragraph 1, Roman 2, Roman 3.
under the notification, I am under no obligation to apply. Let me answer that, Let me answer that. Let me answer it.
This is a petition and
Your Lordship asked me a question. Let me answer.
show us. Please show us.
And let me take your Lordship down to notification, sir. Page 25. Your Lordship, all that it is. Page 25. I am page 25 of the notification. Page 25.
Page 26.
Yes, 26. Identification by the enterprise. Any micro, small, or medium enterprise may voluntarily initiate proceedings under this framework if the enterprise reasonably apprehends failure of his business or his inability or likely inability to pay debts and before the accumulated loss of the enterprise equal to half or more, etc. Therefore, it is entirely voluntary. There is no compulsory. It is not compulsory. May voluntarily. If I am,
Will you please allow us to dictate our order?
Therefore, all that I is answering the question, one more aspect also. Your Lordship asked me 2 things. Therefore, my submission is to notify the letter, the plain letter words employed by the legislature is that the MSME may, at its option, wherever if most of them they may not identify any stress, and if they identify a stress, they can also apply. But the banks are
This entire clause has to be read together. Unless the MSME itself applies, how will the bank? No, you have to produce. You have to produce.
I cannot apply once there is a default. Let me read this.
Why not?
No, yes,
When the NPA 13-2 notice is issued, you are given 60 days time. You can apply, saying that here you have issued the
page 26, paragraph 4. I am reading the page 26, paragraph 4.
Yes.
Page 26. When such a request is received by the lender, the account should be processed
as SMOO.
That is
SMOO.
That is
SMOO 1.1.
This I can only apply before the default.
Follow petition dismissed. You will not allow us to dictate. We dictate it.
No, yes. This is bounded.
Yes, next matter.
It's